中共中央总书记、国家主席、中央军委主席习近平今天专程到东京机关
伟大复兴的中国梦。
The great rejuvenation starts from here. Dongqi, as a pioneer brand of China's crane machinery, has timeliness, advanced ground, and gracious human relation, and goes with the stream, so as to develop remarkably. Now it has owned an ultra-large type industrial park integrated with independent research and development, precision production and test, and has led the innovation of China's crane machinery. It is contributing to the global rise of China's crane machinery.
作为民族工业中的一员，用心缔造、创新型的世界起重机品牌，让世界认同我们，东起责无旁贷。
As a national brand of China's heavy industrial machinery industry, we dare to pioneer and exert the force towards the world, so as to work hard for China's right to vote towards to the world. Be the world, also be China. Global vision and the world elite are the benchmark for the innovation of Dongqi. Dongqi Group is committed to the innovation and development of crane machinery and builds a strategic cooperation with famous machinery manufacturers in Germany, England, France, Finland, and other European old industrial powers to establish an industrial technology alliance and form a world-class professional industry cluster network, so as to provide acceleration dynamic for the globalization strategy of Dongqi. Dongqi has built up a hierarchical talent pool and has hired outside professional strategy consultants. There are a total of 4,000 employees in the group, including management technician, senior engineer, and other nearly 1,000 senior personnel. There are 2,000 suites, all kinds of production equipment and inspection equipment. The annual comprehensive productive capacity of the crane is up to 10,000 suites, and its comprehensive production value is 1.5 billion yuan. The performance of the machine leads the international advanced level. In 2012, Dongqi Group has set up a first-class research and advanced and development center in Shenzhen, being the world design front. Dongqi studies the market demands from the global vision, connects with international research and development system, and innovates to develop all kinds of hoisting machinery with proprietary intellectual property rights, so that it has stirred up a new innovation for the world crane machinery industry. European crane, ladle crane, gantry crane, shipbuilding gantry crane, engineering gantry crane, bridge crane, bridging machine port crane, electric hoist, and other crane machinery with excellent quality and skillful manufacture have fully satisfied the comprehensive demands on crane machinery in many fields at home and abroad. The European crane, independently designed, researched and developed by Dongqi Group, has the advantages of small dimension, lightweight, maintenance-free, good performance, high continuous work, and advanced configuration, can carry out all kinds of non-standard design and meet the normal use under different conditions and various operating conditions. At present, the hoisting machinery products of Dongqi Group have covered a number of fields, such as global steel, electric power, petrochemical engineering, machinery manufacturing, war industry, warehouse logistics, paper making, and automobile making have spread national various provinces, cities, and autonomous regions and municipalities. Dongqi has established a strategic cooperation relationship with many famous brand enterprises, and its products are exported to many countries and regions. The operation and management philosophy of exquisiteness and high-quality products are the competitiveness of Dongqi and are the fundamental cause for Dongqi to pursue the world. Since its establishment, Dongqi Group has always upheld practicability, high efficiency, creating excellence, and doing strong operation philosophy, continuously improved the company's global competitiveness, and insisted on the informatization platform, meticulous management, industry cluster, and maximum profit of supply chain. IPD project management system, visual management, and 6S management have successively passed the certification of ISO 9001 International Quality System. The verification of compliance by ECM from Italy, which provides an effective guarantee for international quality of Dongqi products. The power of Chinese pioneers is that of bring out world innovation. As the pioneer of the industry, Dongqi continuously explores new favored patterns of the supply chain. At present, Dongqi insists on customer-oriented and sectional integration development direction, establishes high international standard procurement management mechanism, strengthens the particular management of supply chain, internal process, and the global inter-enterprise cooperation, and controls the cost of supply chain. At the same time, by production plan synchronization, VMI inventory, JIT production, front-end market forecasting, and other information-based means, and based on the plan, collaborative management, Dongqi realizes the efficient operation of the supply chain integrally. Dongqi has established the nationwide marketing network system and service system, provides the spare parts for all kinds of hoisting machinery series as well as equipment upgrade, equipment leasing, financing services, and other systematic solutions of clients. Be big and drive small. Dongqi is a pioneer in China and is the member of China's heavy industrial machinery enterprise.
经营一个成功的企业，必须具备用心经营、执着做事。
Dongqi believes the power of the dream can raise in the world. To be innovative for the dream, outstanding for the dream, and persist for the dream. Dongqi Group will make every effort and continuous progress to play the pioneer and pursue the dream in the world.